responsive to the exercise. Then, assist the patient in a lateral position facing you. T1, no? 1, 2, 3. Then, raise the head of the bed to its highest position. Ma'am, raise ko lang po ah. Then position the client's feet and lower leg at the bottom or edge of the bed. Then stand beside to the client's hip and lean your trunk forward from the hips and face the far corner of the edge of the bottom. Right now, flex your hips, thighs, ankles, hips, flex your hips, knees, ankles, and knees. Then, your one arm placed on the shoulder of the client's shoulder, and the other arm on the beneath on both sides of the patient near the knees. Then, tighten your abdominal, legs, and upper arms, and lift the patient's thighs slightly. Then, pivot the balls on your feet in the designated direction to the facing the bottom of the edge of the bed, while pulling the client's feet and legs off the bed. Then keep supporting the patient until the patient is well balanced and comfortable. And also check the vital signs of the patient as required at the health care status. Ma'am, are you okay? I will give you a minute to sit a while if you have any dizziness. Also check the signs of orthostatic hypertension. Then, document the relevant information, the time and position, move forward and position move to, and any signs of pressure areas, and also the use of devices, and also the ability of the client when moving and turning, and also the response of the client to moving and turning. So before transferring the patient in the wheelchair, so let's assess first the following. So assess the following first: the client's body size, the ability to follow instructions, the activity tolerance, muscle strength, joint mobility, presence of paralysis, also the level of comfort, presence of orthostatic hypertension, and also the technique which are the client familiarized, and also the space when transferring maneuver, and also the number of assistants needed to accomplish the transfer safely, and last, the strength and skill of nurses. So let's also implement the fastened, securely fastened. Then give explicit instructions to the client. Ask the client if she or can move at the edge of the bed. Then forward slightly from the hips. Then place the foot beneath the stronger leg, beneath the edge of the bed, and the other foot forward. And flex your knee in your tongue. Flex your gluteal muscles. The client. Then place the patient's hands on the surface of the bed. And also you can place it also ma'am on my shoulder. Don't, the client must not grasp the neck or support. Then grasp the belt on my count mom. Flex my gluteal and abdominal muscle in upper arm. Flex. On my count mom. 1, 2, 3. Then assist the patient to sit at the stand and give a few moments. Then place the wheelchair on the edge of on the side, parallel to the side of the bed, and lock it. Don't forget to lock the wheelchair and place the foot paddle. Then ensure the safety of the patient. Don't push back to the wheelchair, and also the foot on your feet on the foot on the feet, and also get or have the seat belt if required, and document all the relevant information. Ma'am, fresh air.
Ako vlogger. Road trip. Sabihin mo sa patient box.
Ma'am, masaya kayo. Nilagay ko kayo.
Saya na masaya.
Makatikim din ng mas sariwang
Malaki na ba?
Ma'am, elevator po tayo.
Mhm.